Overfitting and underfitting in machine learning help us to generalize how the machine learning algorithm or model performs. Here we can see in the graphical representation, that is the graph of this model, x and y axis. On that plot points are plotted. There is a simple line passing through these points. This is the generalization of the model. It helps us to identify the performance. Here on the data points, this line passes through it. Very less number of points are on that line. This means that these points are loosely fitted on the line. Hence, this is totally differently deviating from these points. It is on its own way. It is not accurate on the points. So we can help we can understand this with the help of an example. For example, we train the model to identify any object as ball or not. Then we give it a dataset to train and we train it. Only one attribute is given in the dataset, that is shape. On the basis of this, the model has to identify whether the object is ball or not. After the training, we give it a test object, that is an orange. We know that this is different than a ball, but it has same properties like the shape. It is spherical. Now, after the training and after identifying this data, it will deduce that this is a ball. Why is it so? Because it will only check one attribute that is given, that is shape. It will deduce that this object has shape sphere, so this will be a ball. But this is wrong. Why this happens? Because only one attribute is given to train the dataset. The model identifies this model wrongly because it has no proper knowledge to identify that object. Hence, very less accuracy is there in the model. This is called as underfitting. A model is said to be overfitted when it is trained with a lot of data. Here we can see the generalization of the model or how it performs. Here on the x and y axis, some points are plotted which are traced by a single line which traces all the points. Here all the points are tightly fitted on the line. It means that model tries to capture all the types of data which is provided to it for training purposes and tries to give the output. Here, for example, we have to train the model to give output if the object given is ball or not. So we train it with the given data like the shape, which is spherical, it is not eatable, it is playable, and it has a radius of 5 centimeter. And for example, a data is given as orange. Data to identify is given as orange. Then let's see what conditions it will satisfy or not. It is spherical, yes. It is not eatable, no. Orange is eatable. Able to play, no, we cannot play with an orange. So it will easily give us output that this is not a ball. But what happens when we give it a real data, real ball? So sphere, yes, ball is a sphere. It is not eatable, yes, it is not eatable. We are able to play with it, yes, we are able to play with it, and it has a radius of 5 centimeter. So but now what happens is, we have not specified what type of ball it has to train. We have generally said it has to be a ball. So what if we give a tennis ball? It will satisfy this condition or closer to it, radius equal to 5 centimeter. Then if all the conditions are satisfied, it will say that yes, it is a ball. But what if we unexpectedly give it a football? We have just trying to identify general ball. So here the condition will be not satisfied, and hence even though football is a ball, generally speaking, it will say that it is not a ball. So here what happens that when we are being over specific, when we are giving many values to train a simple data or to train a simple model, it will get confused on by itself. So it cannot deduce any specific output, and hence we can say it is overfitted. So that is the difference between two of these, overfitting and underfitting. Generally speaking, a model is said to be a very good model or a good algorithm in machine learning when it is not overfitting and also not underfitting. It is in between the two. A similar type of data, whenever we train it, it gives the same type of output. In underfitting it does not have the required knowledge or data to train it successfully, and in overfitting it is given a lot of data than it can handle. So best data the best generalization of any model is between overfitting and underfitting. It falls between those both categories.